Yeah, guys, so we were in Bricktown earlier today. Now we are in Midtown, and really we're seeing kind of a similar story all across downtown Oklahoma City. So the main roads here, like this roundabout in Midtown, these ones have been plowed. The city has 25 trucks out right now plowing all these roads, so they're pretty clear. But the real story is going to be these side streets you see over here. Now, those are full of slush, and really they're going to be a mess, and that is what the city is hoping to avoid come Friday morning. So all day today, they have been out plowing the streets, putting down salt to keep them from being slippery come Friday morning. The city of OKC says they knew this snow was coming and they pre-treated those roads with brine and beet juice, and that is all in hopes to keep the snow from sticking to the road. But of course, there could still be some slick spots despite them working on these roads for days.
If you don't have to be out, please don't be out. If we understand that some people do have to be out, and if you do, just give yourself lots of time, slow down, exercise caution. Please give our trucks lots of room to work with.
And those crews are going to be working around the clock both tonight into tomorrow, clearing these roads, putting salt down, hoping to avoid really just a messy situation for Friday morning. Now, the important thing to note is they are only plowing the emergency snow route. So we have a list of that on KOCO.com. We also have more crews out monitoring the road conditions. Right now, let's get over to KOCO's Megan Mosley. She's in Northwest Oklahoma City, checking out the conditions there. Megan.
Yeah, hey, Elise, we're live on the Kilpatrick Turnpike right now. We came from South Oklahoma City metro area where the roads weren't too bad. Now, right now, the roads are wet. They're not very slick at all, but there are some slushy spots along the highway here on the Kilpatrick, but we haven't seen any wrecks along the way, so that's the good news. But we have been seeing some of those snow plows on the highway, kind of like what you were mentioning, Elise, putting down more salt on the highways. And it's really those bridges and on-ramps that you want to watch out for because those can be tricky driving on. Other than that, if you're headed home for the evening, give yourself enough distance between other drivers and drive at slower speeds. We know as less and less drivers are on the roads, these conditions will start to deteriorate. Reporting live from the Turnpike, Megan Mosley, KOCO 5 News, guys.